Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix PowerPoint file not opening. First, we are going to right-click on the PowerPoint presentation. Click on Properties. There, validate if the unlock box exists. It is a common error. If so, you must activate it and then apply the changes. Another solution that we offer you is to open PowerPoint, then click Options. Here, go to the Trust Center section. Now click on Trust Center Settings. You are going to go to the Trusted Locations option. When you access it, click on Add New Location, and you will select where your PowerPoint presentation is. Click on OK. Save the changes and close the window. Now you can open your PowerPoint file. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.